Mapping out U.S. history. Like most societies in the world, the United States started as a blank canvas. This presentation will be broken down into three categories: major historical locations, major historical events, and major historical rivers. On the East Coast, significant geographical points include Jamestown, Philadelphia, Boston, Fort Duquesne, Washington, D.C., and Roanoke Island. Jamestown is on the coast in the Virginias. Fort Duquesne is west of the Appalachian Mountains. New Orleans, Louisiana is in the southeast portion of the United States. It sits on the Gulf of Mexico. The 13 original colonies lay on the eastern seaboard of the United States. They include Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts Bay, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, North Carolina, and Rhode Island. This map shows both the 42nd and 49th parallel. As you can see, the 42nd parallel starts from the west coast and moves inward. The 49th parallel starts up by Canada and moves south. On the east coast is the Appalachian Divide, and on the west coast is the Continental Divide. As you can see, at one point, the Oregon Territory covered much of the west coast. The Oregon Trail spanned across a major portion of the northwest of the United States. The trail includes Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, Wyoming, Idaho, and ends in Oregon. The Mexican Secession takes place on the west coast portion of the United States. It covers California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona. As you can see, the Louisiana Purchase of 1803 initially took up most of the Midwest. The significance of waterways in American history is twofold. One, because they served as the major mode of transportation at the time, and two, because waterways act as their own geographical boundary. Chesapeake Bay is inland of the Atlantic Ocean between Washington and Delaware. St. Lawrence River is in the French province of Canada. The Hudson River is in upstate New York near Albany. Lake Michigan is the water that separates Wisconsin and Michigan. It is one of the 5 Great Lakes. Lake Geely is between Baja California and Arizona. The Columbia River is in the Midwest near Iowa. Cape Cod is in Massachusetts off the Atlantic Ocean.